Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Sawal Saturday video where every Saturday I answer your questions. Before we go ahead, I am so happy that y'all liked this Thursday's video. अगर देखा नहीं है तो please link is in the description. Go check it out. Let me know what you think about it. It was the first video पिछले साल के lockdown के बाद when I was shooting the whole thing at home, and I was like, it's okay, Prajakta. It's alright. I know it's tough, but it's gonna be okay. We keep trying, and then we learn, and then we make mistakes, and then we learn again, but it's okay. So I'm glad that you liked it. Okay. Anyway, let's get to Sawal Saturday. Akshada Galande. Hi, Akshada. I'm good. Thank you. Your Real Talk Tuesday videos have helped me a lot in my life. Thanks for that. Thank you so much. Honestly, I think they help both of us. Like, both of us are dependent on each other when it comes to Tuesdays. One thing to share for Sawal Saturday is that my sister and I I had some really hard times recently, and we are doing good now. I'm glad. That makes me very happy that you're doing good now. She's having her board exams now, so will you please wish her luck? Her name is Maithili. She's also, of course, Maithili. First of all, I am so proud of you for going through and coming out strong, whatever it was that you went through. There's never a big problem or a small problem. A problem is always a problem, and anyone holding their ground and getting through it is just I'm so proud of you for that. And yes, best of luck for your board exams. I mean, you're gonna do great, don't worry. Arushi Nahata. Hi Arushi. Hi Prajudi, here's an amazing question for you. The thing that you always forget to do. So many things. I always forget to do everything. मेरा सुदीप और सौरभ के साथ हर फोन कॉल यही होता है, प्राजक्ता वो कर दे. Oh shit, हाँ मैं भूल गई. So most times, like the whole combination of being lazy and forgetful is on some days is deadly. Like it gets me in trouble. तो मैं बहुत सारी चीजें भूलती हूँ. One thing that I definitely forget to do. So many things. 7 makeup things that you use before shooting this video. I filled in my eyebrows very horribly. And I put lip balm and lipstick, and I put moisturizer. That is all I have put. Today, I have not even put like blush or anything. I feel like today my skin is feeling very healthy, so I don't want to disturb it. I want to let her thrive. I want to let her rule. I want her to conquer. You know what I'm saying? So nothing, just 2 things. Before how many days you cleaned your wardrobe? A week? Which work you hate the most? Dusting, cleaning utensils, sweep off, or mopping? So we are very fortunate कि हमारे घर पे dishwasher है. So I don't have to clean utensils. I like putting utensils in the dishwasher कि धो के बस washer में डाल दो, फिर washer से निकाल के जगह पे रख दो. I love cleaning the kitchen counter. I love putting all the crockery and everything in place. I love cleaning the kitchen. I love setting my room कि bed साफ कर लिया, सब कुछ फोल्ड करके कपड़े अंदर रख दिए, कर दिया वो कर दिया. सूखे वो धुले हुए कपड़े सुखाना ऑल्सो आई डोंट माइंड, फोल्ड करना ऑल्सो आई डोंट माइंड, बट डस्टिंग एंड मॉपिंग एंड झाड़ू में मुझे आफत आती है. लाइक दैट आई डोंट लाइक. I mean, like I help mama with it every now and then, but like I that is like 5 things that placed in your left and right without seeing. Also, I have to tell you 5 things that I see. Now that's the thing about shooting my entire life on camera, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ देख सकती हूँ ना मेरे लेफ्ट और राइट में क्या है. Oh man, but it's an interesting question only, Arushi. Pallavi Chakrabarti. Hi Pallavi. Hi Prajakta. Pallavi here from Kolkata. Lots of love from me and my friends. Thank you. Tell your friends I said hi. My question is, how are you dealing with the second phase of almost lockdown? I am dealing with it by thinking back to what all I went through last year, mentally, otherwise work-wise also, and I'm taking one day at a time, because this time, like, we're at least a little better prepared. Like, we know how to deal with work, we know how to deal with like relationships and family and friends and stuff like that. So I'm trying to use whatever I learned through the mistakes I made last year, but taking it very slow, one day at a time, not thinking about it too much. Maham N. Hi Maham. Hey P, I love you so much. Hoping you and your family is okay and surviving this. Oh, we are doing fine and we're going to be okay, as is everybody else, is what the hope is. This Thursday's video was a complete rant. Loved it. These are my questions for Sawal Saturday. Do you have a plan on writing a book? I mean, मुझे बहुत मजा आते हैं in writing. but a book is very ambitious. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I'm talented enough to write a book, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Do you laugh at your own videos? When I'm shooting बहुत ज़्यादा, फिर वो live हो जाते हैं और फिर 1-2 हफ्ते बाद suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्या है ये, क्या बना दिया मैंने. It's a crazy cycle. So yeah. Are you over the fact that Montu got immense love for appearing in your vlog for 10 years? I don't think I'll ever get over the fact that you all love Montu more than you love me. It is just horrible. Juveria Irfan, hi. Lots of love from Bhopal. Thank you. How did the idea of your new obsession to procreate hit you? Oh my god. So I realized that I started spending a lot of unhealthy time on social media. Like I knew like for the longest time I knew that I had enough control over myself when I'm surfing social media. But जैसे time थोड़ा बढ़ने लग गया because everything started becoming work from home again. So I realized that my screen time reached like an unhealthy point and I was like that is not good. So मुझे चाहिए था जिससे कि I like something that I've always wanted to try. Like I always wanted to try Procreate. I always wanted to learn a new language. तो language वाला commitment थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा था. But which is why I started to draw on Procreate, seeing tutorials online. But having said that, मैंने notice किया है कि it is a great exercise to get my thoughts in line. क्योंकि when I'm coloring, दिमाग चल रहा होता है. But so many things, like I get answers to so many questions I've been looking for. I sort of get clarity on a lot of things I'm dealing with. I sometimes get video ideas. तो कई बार halfway through that drawing I call Sudeep, listen, what do you think? So I'm liking that it's a creative warm up. Kasturi Saha, hi Kasturi. Hi, how has your day been? Day has been pretty chill actually. I'm going to finish like sending my Sawal Saturday. 2-3 और काम है मुझे जो करके भेजने हैं. उसके बाद I'm going to try to squeeze a workout in and yeah, spending time with the family. Had great lunch. So day has been good. Can you share your experience on reading The Secret? Do you find it working out while you were reading it? I'm reading it now and there are times when I get so amused as to how it has been working for me even when I didn't know about it. Exactly right. This is exactly how I felt when I read The Secret for the first time. जब आप पढ़ते हो आपको लगता है कि हाय मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि I've been using this and it has been affecting my life and it has been working out for me even when I didn't know it. I get it. I get you. This is connecting right now. That is exactly how my experience was. Exactly like that. And that is why मैं 100% trust करती हूँ blindly on the book. Kritika Mishra, this or that? Montu or Sonia? Sonia. School or college? College. Last bencher or topper? Neither. I was a very average student. YouTube or Instagram? YouTube. And then Instagram. Pizza or ice cream? Pizza. Pajamas or jeans? Pajamas. Long hair or short hair? It's so crazy that this question has come today because आज ही मैं सोच रही थी मैंने कहा यार छोटे करवा लूँ क्या दोबारा से. I'm reaching that point in my head. So short hair. Bhumi Solanki. Hi, I'm mostly saying forever life 27. Hi, Bhumi. Do you like my edits? I love all the edits that all the fan pages make. I just want everyone, if you have a fan page for Mostly Sane, I just want you to know that you have no clue how much you mean to me. मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती. It's a very मतलब काफी घिसी पिटी line है कि you have no clue how much you mean to me, but you really don't have a clue. You don't know. मैं genuinely बोल रही हूँ. तुमको नहीं आइडिया है. इधर हो मेरे दिल के इतने करीब. How can I meet you when I know it's a pandemic going on? But और कितना wait करूँ यार? You don't know how much I love you. I really want to meet you. I'll come to your office, house, कौन सी भी place. I waited for 3 years. Please, I want to meet you. So, आपका जवाब जो है वो आपके सवाल में ही है. I understand, trust me, I miss meeting everybody so much and I want to meet you, but it's not safe at all. It is not safe to go to anybody's house or to go to anybody's office. And overall, only my parents and I get very, very uncomfortable and we don't know what to do when someone turns up at home. But we will make something happen when all of this is over. I promise there'll be a meet and greet that we do. It'll be a meet and greet like never before. Okay? And we'll make that happen when I meet you and you meet me and we hug and we talk about things that matter to us. बट लेट दिस गेट ओवर राइट नाउ. प्लीज घर में बैठो, बिल्कुल घर से निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है. किसी से मिलने मत जाओ, अपने पड़ोसियों से मत मिलो, ऊपर नीचे मत, कहीं मत जाओ. डोंट बी लाइक अच्छा इधर ही तो जा रही हूँ, आ जाऊंगी फटाफट से. डोंट डू दैट, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. कर्फ्यू और नो कर्फ्यू आपके शहर में, लॉकडाउन और नो लॉकडाउन आपके शहर में, आप देख रहे हो कि न्यूज पे क्या चल रहा है. सो लेट्स जस्ट बी वेरी वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजंस, बिकॉज राइट नाउ दैट इज ऑल आवर कंट्री इज आस्किंग फ्रॉम अस. So let's be responsible citizens and sit at home till this is over. Then, I don't know what this means, but then it'll be fun. Okay, मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, बस ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज 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 मास्क पहने. अगर घर से निकल रहे हैं तो घर से तभी निकले जब बिल्कुल निकलना जरूरी है. इट इज गोइंग क्रेजी. अगर आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, अगर आपको अभी तक इसका सिवियरिटी नहीं समझ आ रही, तो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट टू यू, और आई डोंट नो हाउ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट टू पीपल हु नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग लेट्स ऑल जस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अस एंड आवर फैमिली एंड आवर फ्रेंड्स. सब अपनी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हैं, ठीक है. हमारी ही जान है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It's very important. So just please take care of yourself. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Sanitize. I will see you on Tuesday. Until we meet. Love.